Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that you're rich. You have enough money to buy anything you want, travel anywhere you like, and never have to worry about money again. It might sound like a fantasy, but it is possible. And it doesn't take a lot of time to get there. If you're patient and disciplined, you can get rich slowly by following a few simple steps. That's what we'll be discussing in this video. So stay tuned till the end. Before we begin, we would like to mention that this video is inspired by the book The Millionaire Fast Lane by M.J. DeMarco. The ideas presented here are not financial advice. Please consult with a qualified professional before making any major financial decisions. Starting early is crucial when it comes to getting rich slowly. This gives you a significant advantage because you can harness the power of compounding interest. For example, if you start investing $100 a month at the age of 20 and earn an average annual return of 8%, you will have around $1 million by the time you reach 65. However, if you wait until you're 30 to start investing the same amount, you'll only have about $700,000 by the time you retire. Once you start saving, it's important to save a fixed percentage of your income. For example, you could commit to saving 20% of your earnings. This approach ensures that you consistently set aside money for your future without having to think about it every month. By automating your savings, you won't be tempted to spend it on unnecessary items. But saving alone is not enough. You need to invest your savings to make them work for you. Keep in mind that the goal is to grow your wealth, not just hoard cash. By investing, you can generate more income and build long-term wealth. Consider investing in assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate that have the potential to appreciate in value over time. It's also wise to diversify your investments to spread risk and maximize returns. Remember, investing involves risks, and it's essential to do thorough research or seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes or invest in something you don't understand. Take a long-term perspective and invest in a diversified portfolio of assets that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Avoid unnecessary spending. While it's important to enjoy life and spend money on things that bring you happiness, it's equally crucial to be mindful of your spending habits. Ask yourself whether each purchase is truly necessary or if it's driven by impulse or peer pressure. Living below your means is a key principle of getting rich slowly. It means spending less than you earn and avoiding the temptation to keep up with the Joneses. By being content with what you have and avoiding lifestyle inflation, you'll be able to save more money and invest it wisely. Stay away from bad debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle on your path to wealth. It's essential to distinguish between good and bad debt. Good debt is when you borrow money to acquire assets that can generate income or appreciate in value, such as a rental property or a business loan. On the other hand, bad debt is when you borrow money for non-essential items that don't generate income, such as credit card debt or personal loans for vacations. Bad debt can quickly derail your financial progress and prevent you from achieving your wealth-building goals. Therefore, it's crucial to avoid accumulating bad debt and focus on paying off existing debts as quickly as possible. Build high-income skills or a side hustle. One way to accelerate your path to riches is by developing high-income skills or starting a side hustle. Focus on acquiring skills that are in demand and can command higher salaries. Invest in your education, attend workshops or courses, and network with people in your field. If you have a specific skill, you can monetize it through freelancing or consulting. Starting a side hustle can also be a great way to generate additional income streams without quitting your day job. Track your expenses and net worth regularly. Keeping track of your expenses and net worth is vital for staying on track toward your financial objectives. By monitoring your spending, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more money. Regularly calculate your net worth, which is your assets minus your liabilities, to assess your overall financial health. This practice allows you to see your progress over time and make adjustments as needed. Be consistent. Even if you can't invest a lot of money right now, the most important thing is to start and be consistent. Every little bit counts and will add up over time. Automate your savings and investments to make the process effortless. By consistently saving and investing small amounts, you'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth can grow. Think long-term. Getting rich slowly is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Don't expect to become wealthy overnight. Instead, focus on making gradual progress over time. Stay committed to your financial goals and be patient. Wealth takes time to build, but the results are well worth the effort. Keep learning. The world of money and investing is constantly evolving. To stay ahead, it's crucial to keep learning and expanding your financial literacy. Read books, attend seminars or webinars, and follow reputable financial educators. Continuous learning will help you make better financial decisions and navigate the complexities of wealth building. By following these steps, you can put yourself on a solid financial foundation and pave the way for long-term wealth. Remember, the journey to riches may be slow, but with consistency and patience, you can achieve your financial goals. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content.